Hi guys, it's Sejal. So before this video starts, disclaimer, I filmed this much before the lockdown period in Mumbai, so enjoy. Okay, so this video is like still so not relevant. Like, there are some pretty horrible things in this world. Judgy people, the virus itself, and bras. How is that important today? Kill me. Because I made this video, I still really wanted to put it out, so sorry and enjoy. So coming back to the bra, they are sometimes so hard to figure out without the wire poking you, without you having to adjust it every time you move, and which one to wear. If you're wearing a strappy top, if you're wearing a backless dress, and side note, if you're traveling in a rickshaw or anything bumpy, oh my god. And if you're wearing something strapless, best of luck. Only God can help you. And also the things we tape to our body is just... And also, what is the issue with going out without a bra? I don't get it. Anyway, so I think they need to come up with a better and more comfortable way for us to hold up our boobs. So this is a different kind of outfit from scratch. So I was walking around in Bandra and Mumbai and I came across this really interesting store that makes custom bras and bralettes. So I thought it would be really interesting to get one made for myself and then style it in different ways. So let's go. So Bandra is an area in Mumbai which is home to a lot of artsy cafes and artsy stores. So this one's called Angiya and it looks really pretty and interesting from the outside also. And as soon as I walked in, we were greeted by this super cute puppy. And yeah, he was quite obsessed with my camera. So I was like, bus, okay, fine, goodbye puppy. The store had a really nice vibe and we saw the sewing machine and we saw what projects they were currently working on.
Hi, I'm Priya and
she has the cutest dog ever who thinks my camera is a little bad. Look! Really nice coffee shop over here and I was walking around and I came across your store and I asked her if we can film an outfit from scratch video and she said yes.
handmade bras. As you can see, these are the machines that go into the making of the bra. And yeah, we are available online. We have our own website. We also supply to Jaipur.
I want to wear something comfortable. That's why I want to get something custom made.
Yeah, like I hated wearing my bra, and I hated.
I feel you.
Yeah. So then, like, I decided to start making my own bras.
Yeah.
I just thought that there's a huge space for that. So.
Yeah. What should we get made and how do we go about it?
Okay, so let's start.
So then we talked a little bit about bra sizes and most people get them wrong, including me. The size I had told her was much smaller than the size I actually needed, so she told me the right one for me. And then she just showed me a bunch of patterns that they already had, different back styles, different front styles, also different materials. So this material she told me was organic pure cotton and also the style of print on it is batik. So she told me that I can pick a style that I really like, pick the fabric also that I really like, and they can make one for me accordingly, and they can also do a reversible version so I can wear it both ways. And as far as the cost goes, I was asking her, she says it starts at 1800 rupees, and then I was like, let's go ahead and try out the styles and see which one I like.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well.
So with these bras, how they hold up your body is because of the way they're stitched. So they're really gentle on the skin and they don't have any wire or anything harsh that will leave dents in your body. So this is the final style that I chose, and I also chose the fabric that I really liked and the color that I really wanted to, and we were all set. Back to the future, I'm filming this jab lockdown shuru ho gaya and I'm back home in Delhi, and I also have a different hairstyle. I cut my hair randomly at 1 AM and I think it looks pretty good. I think I did a really good job. मैंने जब ये वीडियो के दूसरे पार्ट्स फिल्म करे थे, that was literally a month ago. So I have the bralette here and I've worn it many times as well now. I think I must have worn it some like 15 times already. Yeah, so my review on it, it's actually really comfortable, and because I got it custom made in my own like measurements and style, it fits my body perfectly, and more than anything else, it's just comfortable, especially for a person like me because I have a lot going on here. So like the look of it as well. And for especially people like me, if I wear something like a deep neck, there's too much happening. But with this, I don't feel conscious if I'm just wearing this. So the back, the design of the back is also really, really nice. So, and I think the cost for this, she was very, very kind and she didn't charge any money for me for this, but I think it is upwards of 2,000 rupees. So you can go on her Instagram and check out the prices and get in touch with her there. I've worn it under a t-shirt, under a kurta, anything that works with the style of the straps. And even if the straps show through like a loose shirt, it looks really nice because the straps are very pretty and they have a nice elastic. I wanted to show you guys two outfits that I put together with this bralette, wearing it like outside as like a top because I think it's really pretty as a top also for fun. So let's go.
There you go. I get a stable. I get a stable. In my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push it back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable.
Alright guys, so that is it for the video. This was a very different outfit from scratch, also filmed in like 2 different spaces of time. I hope you guys are safe at home. This lockdown is really difficult for everyone and wishes and prayers go out to everyone who's affected by the lockdown. I wanted to talk about just in general how, the internet is like buzzing with like what to do during corona, what to do during the lockdown, what to do in quarantine, how to be productive. And these kind of posts, to be honest, मुझे इतने annoying लगते हैं. And I'm all about like doing things that make you happy, doing things for your own mental health, doing things at your own pace. And I think social media पे looking at other people like being productive and like telling you to hustle and stuff can be really, really pressurizing. And in fact, जब ये start भी हुआ था for us content creators, everyone is just talking about how this is the best time to post content and everyone's watching. And I know my problems in like the larger scale are so small compared to people who are actually affected by this. Yeah, I also felt really pressurized to make more and like do more and and I don't like feeling like that. And I thought I'd take a break from YouTube for a while just to recharge and just be creative and come back with fresher ideas right before everything happened. And then suddenly everything happened and then there's so much pressure. So yeah, I thought that I don't want to get in that rat race and I don't want to get in the struggle that, oh, I need to post more content now, otherwise I'll be irrelevant or whatever. I just want to take things at my own pace and I just want to be doing things which are good for my mental space. So I'm going to take a break for a month from YouTube. I know, don't freak out. I am going to be back 100%. I'm going to post more and more content. I'm going to be active on my Instagram for sure. I've been making a lot of dance videos. I've been singing a lot. So I'm going to focus on doing things that really, really, really make me happy. And so you guys can connect with me there. But I want to take this time for myself. The whole world is slowing down and I want to take this time to refresh myself also. And I want to send that message to you guys also. किसी और के pressure में मत आओ and do what feels good to you. And that's really important. All this pressure is nonsense. You should do what you like and what feels good to you. So and I'll be back after my break. Thank you so much for supporting me always and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, bell button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.